If you were tapped into any fragrance content in the past year, year and a half, I'm pretty sure you know the it scent of 2024 was none other than Louis Vuitton's Imagination. Everywhere you looked, all you heard, all you seen was imagination, imagination, imagination. But I'm pretty sure you also know imagination is expensive, anywhere from $330 and up, depending on the size bottle you get, right? But what if I told you could get imagination for $50? Would you be interested? Meet me on the other side of the intro and I'll tell you how. All right, y'all, welcome back to Wear This Mirror. Y'all know what I do here, rating some of the most popular fragrances out there, whether it's niche, designer, clones, or indie, and determining my opinion whether it deserves flowers or we launching a smear campaign. So if you're interested in that, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell notification, leave a comment. Don't worry, it's a safe space. Today, I want to talk about the closest thing you can get to imagination without having to break the bank, refinance your home, sell a body part, whatever, right? And that fragrance to me is from the house of Haramain Amber Oud Aqua Dubai, right? But if you haven't gotten your nose on imagination, to me, imagination is a soapy, shower gel, citrusy, fresh scent with a note of black tea that kind of separates it from other fresh scents, makes it more mass appealing to a lot of people. People love imagination. In my opinion, I'm not the biggest fan of imagination, right? And that's kind of blasphemy to the fragrance community, but that's just my opinion. To me, it just doesn't warrant all the hype that's surrounded by it. It's a good scent, don't get me wrong. Imagine Louis Vuitton does a wonderful job of using high quality material when they make their fragrances. It's sort of niche-like the way they go about making their fragrances, right? So I kind of get it. They blend well, they do a great job. I just wasn't blown away by imagination. I'm more of a Meteore fan. I love Meteore. It just stands out. It's just different. It's just a crispness to it that just stands out for me. Probably my top 2 or 3 favorite fragrances is Meteore. So I had Meteore before I smelled Imagination. So with all the hype surrounded it, I was like, all right, let me get a sample of Imagination, because if it smells anything like Meteore, I'm buying a whole bottle, right? So when I got the first sample, I got it in the summertime, and I wasn't home in time to really open it when I first got it. So it took about a month before I got home to smell it. So by then, the heat probably ruined the sample. So when I smelled it, I was like, yo, people going crazy over this? I didn't understand it at all. But then I think, maybe the heat ruined the scent. So I ordered another sample, same thing. I was like, nah, I'm not really jacking this. But influencer after influencer kept talking about how good Imagination was. So I tried one more time, bought another sample from another source. And when I got it this time, I was like, okay, I kind of get it now. I understand now. I still wasn't blown away, but I understood why it's so mass appealing. So if you really haven't got your nose on Imagination, the notes for Imagination the top notes are citron, bergamot, and orange, right? The middle notes are neroli, ginger, and cinnamon. The base notes, Chinese black tea, ambroxan, Gaiac wood, and alabanum, right? So, like I said, Louis Vuitton does a great job of using high quality material, right? But for me, like I said, it just wasn't something that knocked me off my feet. But at the same time, a lot of clones came out mimicking Imagination, and one of the most popular ones was Aqua Dubai. So I had to get my hands on this just for the sake of reviewing it. And what blew me away when I smelled it, I loved it. And the crazy part is it smells just like Imagination. But I just think it performs better, it projects better. It's a little bit more synthetic, but when the dry down comes, it smells just like Imagination. You wear this, people are not going to really know that you're not wearing Imagination. So I definitely recommend you trying this and getting your nose on it. If you got the money, go ahead and get the OG. But I'm telling you this one outperforms that by a mile. I'm telling you, this one is great for projection, sillage, and it lasts on my skin about 8 hours, right? Imagination, probably about 6 hours for me, and then you got to reapply it. But I definitely would recommend you getting Amber Oud Aqua Dubai if you want a cheaper version of Imagination. You will not be let down, especially for the price point, $50, $45. You could get this for that cheap on discount sites. So there you have it, y'all. Imagination for $50. Haramain Amber Oud Aqua Dubai. Check it out, y'all. That being said, I'll see you on the next video.